Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I don't know if you've heard of this company, but I recently came across them while doing some research for you guys. And the name of this organization is Spartanburg Regional Healthcare System. Again, Spartanburg Regional Healthcare System. And what they do is they provide medical services to different individuals. They also have a very unique system which is specific to them. So I'm going to be talking about multiple roles that they have open right now, but I wanted to kind of start off by talking about this organization because I was really impressed when I did a little digging around about them. On Glassdoor, this company is scoring an average of almost 4 out of 5 in terms of employee experience. I thought that was really something that stood out. They offer bonuses and incentives as well. And should you get a remote role with them, they provide you with equipment. So that's two other perks that I wanted to quickly call out. So let's dive right into the opportunities they have open at the moment. As you can see, the first one is Remote Epic Application Coordinator. So this is the Dorothy and Comfort. As I mentioned, they do have like a little system that is tailored to them. This particular position is focusing on that. This is IT clinical systems. So if you're somebody that is interested in information technology, you are in luck with this particular role. They are asking quite a bit of experience with this one though. So I do want to just make sure I call that out. The sign-on bonus for this role is 12.5% of accepted offer upon hire. So if they offer you $100,000, 12% of 100,000 will be added to your salary for the first couple of months while being spaced out. So this is 100% remote. Right now, they are only considering people from these states. With this position, you are going to be focusing primarily on design, build, testing, validation, a lot of QAing, quality assurance. You're going to be making sure that different systems are functioning that the way they should, specifically the Epic system in this case. So Epic is a big system that is nationwide among a lot of health care facilities these days. A lot of organizations though do tailor it to fit their specific needs. I want to assume the Dorothy Comfort Analyst certification piece with this one may very well be tied to being a hospital. As you can see above, they have providers, they have nursing support, they have residency programs, they have internships as well. So for folks that are looking for internship roles, definitely check out Spartanburg Regional Healthcare System. They want you to have an associate's degree or higher. They do ask for the 5 years plus experience in IT, specifically healthcare IT experience. And they also talk about the Dorothy certification. So that's something that is here. If you are interested in taking it, you can still be considered for the role. They just need to see that you passed the certification within 45 days of completing training. So that's another thing, right? You do have training for this particular role also, which I think is beneficial. So preferences is that you already have the EPIC certification, 7 years of IT healthcare experience, bachelor's degree. Those are preferences, but if you do not have those, they still welcome you because they already put there that as long as you can get your certification within 45 days, you can go ahead and apply. The salary for this particular role is in the range of $60,000 to $80,000 per year, and with more experience, you can easily get to the six figures, which is about $100,000 to $110,000 per year. So that is this first role. We're going to move on to the other opportunities they do have. Before I do that, I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and continue to share my videos with your friends and families. All right, let's move on. The next opportunity that they have open as well is this one titled Remote Collection Specialist. So this is a collection specialist role. This position is full-time. And as you can see, they've also listed the states of consideration here. This one focuses on billing systems, focuses on insurance information collection, and so forth. They are asking for high school diploma, 3 years of medical office billing, some knowledge of CPT codes, which makes sense because this is focusing on billing. So they're asking for you to have some ICD 9 or 10 codes, good communication skills, have good knowledge of insurance, someone who's very familiar with different pay requirements for claims, someone who is pretty solid with Excel and Word. They also have some preferences listed here as well. Someone who has some knowledge with commercial plans in terms of how you build your insurance and so forth. But those are preferred experience. So even if you don't have that, you are still eligible to apply. And with this position, the salary range for this particular role is between $45,000 to $50,000 per year. The next position is titled Denials Management Specialist, and this is a fully remote role as well. It's full time, and the hours is 8 to 5. As you can see here, this is 100% remote, and they are only considering these states right now. High school diploma or GED equivalent, 4 years experience in medical billing, and so forth. They do have further education, which is associate's degree or bachelor's degree. You are going to be creating reports to communicate different trends in terms of denials of services. How frequently is this organization denying services, and how frequently is this organization approving services? How do we communicate trends using those data points? That's what this individual is really going to be doing. And those data points are going to turn into workflows, turn into process improvement opportunities, and so forth. So that's really what this role is focusing on. They are also focusing on the timeline for case reviews. With this particular role, the salary range is slightly higher, and it's range from $47,000 to $65,000 per year. Again, $47,000 to $65,000 per year was what I found online for this role. With this position, there is a senior level position to the denials management specialist role. This is also remote and full time, but it's a senior position. They are asking for high school diploma, but with some college course credits. That's the minimum. They're asking for 5 years instead of 4, and everything else is pretty much the same. They do have them some certifications on here. They're also asking for hospital billing services. They're asking for professional billing services certification. So if you have these certifications, I encourage you to go ahead and apply. With this position, they are looking for you to be a team lead. You need to have enough experience to be able to guide others. So really encourage you to apply if you know you have all of these requirements that they've highlighted here. And with this position is between 50 to about 70,000 per year. So those are the positions, guys. I encourage you to go ahead and check them out. They are having a lot of positions right now. If you're a nurse, they have a lot of roles open as well. So you see nursing, you can go ahead and view all the positions they have available. They have some remote roles. They have some roles that are non-remote, administrative, clerical nursing roles. So definitely take some time and review their page and see what opportunities they have that can potentially be a good match. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys again for continuing to watch and continue to share with your friends and families. Till next time, best of luck. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.